Din Filippa, mill-Portugall, ilha tgħix Malta għal dawn l-aħħar 8 snin. Daħlet Malta bid-droga fl-istonku tagħha. Qabduha. Għamlet 6 snin il-ħabs ta' kordin. Fil-Portugall, Filippa għamlet 5 snin tieħu droga kull jum, kull siegħa, il-ħin kollu. Biex tixtri droga, għamlitha ta' prostituta.
Batiet din it-tfajla. U llum se nirrakkontalkom l-istorja tagħha. Minħabba li kienet transgender, fil-ħabs tefgħuha fin-naħa tal-irġiel fejn kien hemm Oyvind. U f'Oyvind sabet l-imħabba ta' ħajjitha. Meta llum se tisimgħu din l-istorja, mintom se temnu li persuna tista' tgħaddi minn dan kollu.
Missier Filippa qatt maċċetta li Filippa kienet wildet f'ġisem ħażin u kellu tifel u ma rridx li f'daqqa waħda jsir tifla.
I did try to get in touch with him, but the answer was that there was no place in the family for me, which either being who I am as transgender, he never accepted me, you know, but for me, since I was very little, like my 4 or 5, which I have memories from there, that's my only thing. It would be like Barbies and dolls and whatsoever. So I knew since then that even being so small, that I knew that I was supposed to be a girl, you know.
Ta' 18 sena Filippa titlaq mid-dar u tiltaqa' ma' raġel li taħseb li jħobba u li sejjejna. Imma dan ir-raġel kien addict, kien jieħu droga u qabbad id-droga lilha u spiċċat tieħu droga iktar minnu.
He decided to introduce cocaine to me. Then I thought, I think just one time, it might not hurt me. So I did try with him. Thanks to that, cocaine addiction, my life just dropped completely. I completely lost my person. My dreams faded. I didn't know who I was. It started going from 1, 2, 3 days into an everyday thing. You know, but you don't realize when you are a newbie in these things, you don't realize what comes after.
U biex iġġib il-flus għad-droga għalih u għalija kien jibgħat tipprostitwixxi ruħha u jekk ma tmurx isawwa tabla d-doċċ. Bdiet bħala escort daw li jħorġu mal-irġiel biss imma mbagħad.
I went through addiction as escorting people, as business people. Like this turned out to be a business, which I used to get good money, like, you know, and I used to get paid for my time, but the money was quite high. I was so blinded.
Ipprovat taħrab imma kien isibha kull imkien u kien isawwata swatta vera. Ġieli d-daqqiet tant kienu jkunu qawwijin li laqas se tieħu nifs.
He slapped me once and then it further up it came for more aggressive. You know, there were times that I couldn't physically move. I couldn't keep up with my walking or either with my breathing, or because he used to punch me really hard. I mean, besides the times that he tried just to kill me because he couldn't accept that I wanted, for instance, to live that life, which it happened more than once. But because of him, I just couldn't live. He used to follow me everywhere. I did try more than once.
Filippa bdiet tħossha maħmuġa u għalkemm kien hemm il-kunsens tagħha hi xorta bdiet tħossha abbużata, imma ma kellix triq oħra, hi la kellha familja, la kellha ħbieb, ma kellha lil ħadd.
I disgusted myself. I felt violated. I felt raped. I felt it was so many emotions at the same time. But I didn't have any option. I couldn't just leave. I couldn't get out of that circle because I felt like that's where I belong now.
Ix-xogħol tal-prostituzzjoni kien ikun kuljum u bla wafqien għax b'ġisem differenti minn ta' mara jew ta' raġel. Peress li kienet transgender, kien ikollha ħafna klijenti.
Sometimes it would be like a 24-hour thing for many days, like non-stop. There were times that the phone didn't stop ringing, people didn't stop coming, and then doing whatever, either home or hotels, or even going out. It was like just a non-stop work. I didn't have time many times just to breathe. It was a coming in and a coming out. We are considered a third sex, and I don't know, I feel like that I can't explain what they feel, but for them, most, I mean, not everyone, don't get me wrong, but many people, they are very attractive to us.
Mal-irġiel kienet tmur fil-lukandi, fil-karozzi, binar u bil-lejl. U darba, wieħed mill-irġiel rieda tagħmel xi ħaġa ekstra u poġġiela revolver ma' rasa u ġala tagħmel affarijiet li ma riditx. Biżata tagħmel istess ma' stranġier u minn ħin għal ieħor taħseb li se joqtlok. Kien aggressiv u beda jsawwata wkoll.
I didn't know that he was a satanic person. He believed in devil and demons and whatsoever. And he did point a shotgun in my head, so he forced me to have sex with him. He did rape me. He violated me. He did aggressive. He was a lot of aggressive with me, like he punched me in the face. And I managed to get out. I don't know how, because I was so traumatized already. I was with that fear like I'm going to die now.
Darba lil Filippa jiġbora raġel u flok joħodha fil-lukanda kif kienu ftehmu, ħadha fl-imwarrab, jipparkja fl-eliqi. Jaħtafa, jistuppra u jisraqa u jħallija hemmhekk arwina ħuta fl-għalqa mal-art. Hi tqum u tibda mixja arwina fit-triq u tiltaqa' ma' raġel ieħor illi jkollu ġakketta u hi titolbu biex jagħtiha din il-ġakketta. Imma dan ir-raġel biex ittija l-ġakketta rieda tagħmel l-istess miegħu u hekk kellha tagħmel.
Then supposed we had to go to this hotel, and he just decided to turn somewhere where it was dark, in the middle of nowhere. And then I thought to myself, something is wrong, or something is going to happen. And yes, he did rape me. He told me to remove all my clothes. And then he finished what he had to finish, and he just left me there with no clothes. I was completely naked. I couldn't do nothing, I couldn't stay there, so I decided to walk to a public place, but by the time that it was, there was no one on the streets. It was about 4 in the morning, and I did find this guy, which he was with a long jacket, and I asked, can you please give me your mobile, because this situation happened to me. He gave me the mobile, I did call to someone, but then he had to go, but I couldn't stay without clothes, so he told me, I'll give you my jacket. I said, but there is a condition. And he wanted to have sex with me after that, just to give me his jacket. So I had to have sex with him after that, so I could have a jacket, so I wouldn't be naked on the street. And he left me there as well. It was like one thing after the other.
Filippa tajt illi dak kollu li ġrala u għat-tort tagħha. Li llum il-ġurnata hi l-mara b'saħħitha li hi minħabba fil-passat li kellha.
It's my fault. I put myself in this situation. I can't blame no one else. If I could blame someone, it was me. No one forced me, sort of, to do what I was doing.